Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about developing good habits. Now, what I want to differentiate here, I'm not talking about eliminating bad habits. I'm talking about developing good habits. Something you should be doing that you're just not doing. As an example, I'm going to use an example of brushing teeth. All right, a good habit to learn for brushing teeth, especially in a SHTF or Tawaki situation, is you get up in the morning, you brush your teeth. You eat breakfast, you brush your teeth. You eat lunch, you brush your teeth. You have a snack, you brush your teeth. You eat dinner, you brush your teeth. You brush your teeth before you go to bed. So you're talking at least 5 or 6 times brushing your teeth a day, which will strengthen your gums and help fight tooth decay. Other things you can do for developing good habits: develop start some sort of exercise program. That doesn't have to be intense, just a little bit of exercise and stretching in the morning, every morning. That way your body is ready for the day's work a little bit better, and you're less likely to, get muscle cramps or, other fatiguing problems and stuff like that. Another habit to develop: reading more often. Reading seems to have fallen away for a lot of the generations because everything's on the computer. We can watch movies all the time. Well, start doing a reading program where you spend like an hour in the evening reading something other than just novels, whatever. Read technical manuals, read first aid manuals, advanced first aid, read how-to manuals. Get more knowledge by reading. So I'm sure you can come up with a lot more good habits that we all need to develop, and feel free to mention those in the comment section below. Share them with others, okay? As always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't go out, stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month or more. Learn 2 skills a month. But the other thing is, try to do an indoor garden year-round this year. Right? We're going to have a challenge for it next year where we'll be giving away prizes. So now's the opportunity to learn and experiment and get ready for next year's challenge. All right?